What's up everybody, Jason Cole here with RCGroups.com. We've got another review for you. This is the new version of the chair pack along with the FPV Pack insert, which is really cool. It's one of the best accessories you can have for your FPV outings. So as you can see, it's a backpack. And it's been improved since the first version that I reviewed, so there's a lot more things on this backpack. We've got a lot of outer webbing, straps now on the outside, just a lot of places to hook and connect things. You've got some carabiners like you had before. They also give you these neat little bungee cord straps. There's a bunch of these inside, and you can hook, a couple of your drones to it very easily. You can just pop them right out and get to your drone. It's just a really nice, neat, secure way to do that. You've got another clip here. Again, lots of strapping and webbing and places to like tie off things. It's a serious tactical bag here. Now, just like before, there is a million pockets, pouches, places to store things. You've got Velcro stuff. You've got a ton. Another clip here. Just so much storage in this thing. It is really crazy. You go into this other compartment here. You also get a waterproof kind of cover for your FPV pack that I'll show in a minute here. It kind of fits over that, protects it, keeps it waterproof. It's got a nice cooler bag as well that it comes with. So you could store your lipos in here if you want, or just pack a lunch and some drinks or something. That's pretty cool. Comes with that as well. You got a nice big opening here. Another compartment you can throw a laptop in or something. Again, I won't even be able to cover all of the pockets and things. You got stuff on the side. You got a kind of a stretchy mesh strap here where you can stick in a water bottle or something else, whatever you got. Another side pouch. There's clasp straps here so you can connect something, maybe a tripod if you want to do that. You got more on the side here, more pouches. Even in the top, there's a strap you can throw in something there, some tools or whatever. But then, I guess the reason why you want this is because there's all kinds of backpacks out there, but this is also, it's called the chair pack for a reason. So we can unclip this here, pop it out, and it is a killer chair, right? So this is the ultimate accessory, I say, because it holds all your stuff, but it's also a chair. So if you've ever gone to the field and got nowhere to sit and you're kind of a sit-down FPV guy, this is amazing for you. So you can set it up, be able to fly, have your goggles on, be able to fly. Now this is adjustable, so this is sort of an upright position. There is a clasp on the bottom here. You can press that in, and then you can go full recline. So now you're like lounging at the beach, right? So this is like, if this is how you want to fly, you can do that. Or you can just pull the strap back up. Let's see here. You can pull the strap back up and get more of a vertical seating position that's a little higher up off the ground, especially if you're worried about maybe your receiver from your goggles being low to the ground. This will get you up a little higher. So what's nice is I'll get into the FPV pack here in a second, but this folds down and then it can become a work surface as well. So you're not in the grass working on things. So with that, I'll go ahead and open up the main compartment here, which also has places to hold things and props and all that stuff. And then this is the FPV pack. So this is kind of a Velcro's in. This can be a standalone purchase. It is purchased separately, but it can, you can kind of use it by itself. It's got, again, all kinds of mesh packages, side pockets, and zippered areas. It's a large one. It's just filled with places to store your stuff, which is amazing. But it's designed to fit inside the chair pack, so really cool. Now on top here, if you can see it, we've got a magnetic strip here. So you can set your quad down, you can work on some stuff, store your magnetic tools and items on that and not worry about them getting loose. If you're out in the grass field, this actually pulls off and becomes a landing pad. So you can throw your drone on that, take off if you want to without worrying about getting your props in the grass. That's pretty cool. Now when you open up the FPV pack here, again, we've got more mesh pouches and zippered areas. Here's all of the bungee straps I was talking about that it comes with for securing your drone on the outside of the chair pack. We've got lots of storage and compartments and stuff inside so we can carry our batteries. It comes with this awesome radio protection. It's like really thick foam and really nice padded area, so it keeps your gimbal safe, keeps your switches safe. You've got that area to store that. We've got you know, the goggles. Everything's kind of Velcroed together. You can keep it all secured and tight, and you know, you can basically have everything you need. You got spare props. You can put all of your tools in here, your batteries, your chargers, all your gear, everything you're going to need to FPV in this FPV pack, which is really cool. So I love that. And then when you're ready to fly, just kind of zip it all back up, you know, pop it up into a stand, a chair, do some flying, and then when you're ready to go, it's super easy. It just folds right back up. Put the strap on the outside. This one, actually, this version now has a clip. So besides just the Velcro strap, you also have a clip just like that. So throw it back on your back, and then you're off and ready to go home. So that's the chair pack. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna have lots more pictures and more information in the written review online at rcgroups.com. I'll have that link in the description. If you've liked this video and wanna see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate that. That's all for now, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.